Hello, Longisa. This is from Hawaii. Check this out. I think it's called Monstera Fruit. Only Florida have and Hawaii have, but I think California might have now. Some area in California is hot. You cannot eat this until it's peelable. You peel like a popcorn right here. And look at all this custard, all this white custard. It smells like sweet apple, banana, pineapple. Everybody have different smell. My smell might not be the same smell like you. And the part that you peel, you can eat it. The part that you cannot peel, you cannot eat. Super sweet, super smells so fragrant, smells so good, so flavorful. It tastes so good. I can bring this home. I'm not allowed to bring this home to the mainland. I bought it from a sweet Thai lady. She's very nice. She gave me one for free to eat. And this too. She told me don't buy it because said I cannot eat and I cannot bring it home. I really want to buy it to do my videos. Look at this. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. It's like a tea, huh? So good. I'm so happy I got this. I love the smell. I'm gonna live in here. It's so big. Really, really big. So long too. If a guy know this fruit and you try it, what do you guys think? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you, bye bye. Lành sinh ồ. Rau tải thăng hai tóm rồi. Cả này. Đi cho đút thăng nó. Hawai'i and Florida might hang on the go. Maybe California, San Diego, LA might have. Lưng lên nha. Cam tại cam trắng khúc xuân ạ. Nơi tháng nay nơi mảng cá. Hả? Nơi. Thank you, bye bye. Lần xin bố mảng ở bài. Mưa nhận như phái. Ta sẽ cảm ơn. Khu nhà ổ.